10 Best Sweet Whiskey Gifts for Valentine's Day. Whether it's a gift from the heart or just something small, there are some really great choices out there that will have anyone feeling loved. We're talking about sweet gifts that you can give to your boo on Valentine's Day. Here are 10 of the best sweet whiskey gift ideas for Valentine's Day. No matter if your partner is a bourbon drinker or a Scotch lover, there will be something perfect on this list to make their day special. So let's get started with our first one. Top picks for sweet whiskey gifts. 1. Screwball Peanut Butter Whiskey. A unique take on a classic childhood drink, Screwball Peanut Butter Whiskey is not your average bottle. With an alcohol by volume of 35%, it has a strong aroma that can't be missed with its caramel and coffee cream flavors mixed together in perfect harmony, just like actual peanut butter, but without any viscosity. The best part: you sip this smooth liquor straight or over crushed ice to caps off Valentine's Day celebrations after too many love bites come true at once. 2. Teeling Single Grain Irish Whiskey. The Teeling Irish Whiskey is for those who are looking to take their taste buds on an adventure. This one-of-a-kind best sweet whiskey has classic tones that meet new flavors, made with 95% corn mash and 5% malted barley, making it smoother than usual. Nosing this spirit will give you a thrilling aromatic experience brought by honeyed apples and red grapes along with floral vanilla spices. At the same time, the palate boasts light and buttery notes, and golden syrup tart cereal finish touches at the top of the throat after each sip. 3. Jameson Whiskey. The Jameson Whiskey is best known for its ingredients, consisting of fruity favorites like pears and hops. Think crunchy caramel-dipped apples when sipping on this Irish delight. It has sweet hints of spice that leave you with a medium-length honey finish in the palate. It also makes an affordable choice thanks to creaminess paired nicely against ginger biscuit tastes. Perfect as a gift idea. 4. Jack Daniel's Tennessee Honey Whiskey. Jack Daniel's incorporates natural honey with its classic Old No. 7 Tennessee whiskey to make a light, sweet, and curiously intriguing flavored whiskey that brings out undertones of sugar, maple syrup, and charcoal mellowed fragrance while sipping on this tasty treat. This touch by Jack Daniel's is found anywhere from bars across America, making it perfect for any Valentine's Day dinner plans, whether at home or not. 5. George Dickel Barrel Select Tennessee Whiskey. George Dickel Barrel is the perfect gift to give your loved ones this year. This spirit comes from a limited, one-time production run that all can enjoy. Made up of high corn mash bill and hints of sugar maple charcoal with hints of black pepper vanilla sweetness throughout, it undergoes 10 layers worth of filtering just for you. What will they think when they nuzzle into their nose? 6. West Cork Bourbon Cask Irish Whiskey. The West Cork Bourbon Cask Irish Whiskey is a sweet and spicy whiskey that will make you fearless. The taste starts subtle, but it quickly becomes flavorful with an oaky feel on your palate before finishing strong for those who are not easily daunted by its strength. 7. Nikka Coffee Grain Whiskey Japanese Whiskey. Nikka Coffee is a Japanese whiskey distiller that has been making waves in the US. This sweet drink will surprise you with its unique flavor profile. From honey vanilla toasted coconut, it does pack quite an autumnal punch. 8. Blackened American Whiskey. The Blackened American Whiskey is a premium choice for whiskey enthusiasts. This standout sweet beverage brings amateur and avid drinkers tons of flavor with honey tones, butterscotch notes, cinnamon, and mint. A smooth finish from well-aged bourbon or rye casks creates an altogether different experience than some other whiskeys on offer, and you won't be able to ignore this one's power. 9. Collier and McKeel Tennessee Whiskey. Collier and McKeel Tennessee Whiskey features the flavors of corn, malted rye barley, with hints of vanilla from sugar maple charcoal drippings. This bourbon also has a bold aroma like cocoa espresso leather, which crumbles into sweet butterscotch notes for an indulgent sip. 10. Wild Turkey American Honey Bourbon Whiskey. The Wild Turkey American Honey Bourbon Whiskey has a decadent and consistent flavor that doesn't falter. It features a honeyed fruit taste with more sweet tones, making it perfect for those looking to end their Valentine's night on an even sweeter note. The best way to enjoy Valentine's Day is by giving your loved ones a taste of what they've been missing with some sweet whiskeys. You'll be surprised at how different these spirits can feel when mixed in certain combinations. So pick one up for yourself or someone else today. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Advanced Mixology.